Look outside, what do you see? Is it sunny, bright and free? Put on your shades, it's warm and bright. Let's go play in the golden light. Wrong, no! The clouds are big and gray. Raindrops falling, splash and play. Wear your boots, take your coat. Jump in puddles, don't get soaked. Woo! It's chilly, cold winds blow. Wear your jacket, hat and gloves. Snowflakes dance and swirl around. Let's build snowmen on ground. The wind is blowing, whoosh, so strong. Hold your hat, it won't stay long. Fly a kite up in the sky. Watch it dance and twirl so high. Every day is something new. The weather changes, sun or dew. So look outside and shout, hooray!